In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert month number to month name in Excel. This is a simple and useful Excel formula that lets you turn a month number like 5 into the full month name, such as May. It is especially helpful when your spreadsheet contains numeric month values and you want them to look cleaner and easier to read in reports, dashboards, or tables. To do this, first make sure your month number is in cell A2. In this example, that cell contains the value 5. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the month name to appear. This can be any blank cell in your worksheet. Now type this formula exactly as shown. Equals text, open parenthesis, date, open parenthesis, 2026, comma, A2, comma 1, close parenthesis, comma, quotation mark, quotation mark, close parenthesis. The full formula is equals text, open parenthesis, date, open parenthesis, 2026, A21, close parenthesis, comma, quotation mark, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Here's what the formula is doing. The date function creates a valid date by using a year, the month number from cell A2, and the first day of that month. So if A2 contains 5, Excel creates a date for the first day of the 5th month in the year 2026. After that, the text function takes that date and formats it as a full month name. The format code MOOM tells Excel to return the full name of the month instead of a number. Once you press enter, Excel will display the month name that matches the number in A2. So if A2 is 5, the result will be May. If the number changes to 1, the result will become January. If it changes to 12, the result will show December. This approach works well because Excel recognizes the month number as part of a real date and then converts it into readable text. It is a quick and reliable method when you need a clean month label without typing each month name manually. Just be sure that the value in A2 is a valid month number from 1 to 12. If the number is outside that range, the result may not match what you expect. That covers everything you need to know.